So actually, whoever sent that tweet, it's actually misleading. The market cap is up 30%. The stock price is flat with its first day of trading. It opened at 50 and closed at 45 the day it came public in November 2013. So actually, in 8 years, nobody has made any money in the stock, but the market cap has grown by 30% because they've been issuing themselves stock, the employees. So it's actually worse than you think. This is a really interesting situation now, Judge. This is a pint-sized corporation. They're doing about $3 to $4 billion in annual sales, which, to put that into context, is roughly the size of the Olive Garden chain, okay? But the megaphone that $3 to $4 billion is derived from is galactic. It is the loudest megaphone you could possibly own in the world, which sets up a very interesting situation. Clearly, this platform has been under-monetized, and clearly they have not been able to grow the average daily user count in a very long time. So I don't know that bringing in this new chairman or anything like that is going to change anything. I'd be much interested to hear if there's somebody that actually wants to buy this platform and do something much bigger with it. That, I feel, has always been what should have happened with Twitter all along, and it hasn't yet. This might set that up.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, based on Faber's early reporting, at least to this point, this isn't cause and effect. Dorsey out, and then there's going to be a deal. In fact, he suggested that was unlikely. The other thing I'm wondering about, if you have such a great megaphone as you suggest, and you can't grow your stock price in the current environment we're in and the one we just came out of, where you had a president of the United States who literally did policy by tweet and caused people who had never had any exposure on Twitter to be on Twitter, when can you grow your stock price?
You can't. You can't. So the problem is twofold. First of all, they actually managed to lose $500 million in 2016 when the new president essentially, or the incoming president essentially, made Twitter the center of his communication with the entire world. So it's really remarkable to be able to lose $500 million while that's going on. So to your point, if not then, when? And I don't really know the answer to that, but something tells me something bigger has to happen, not just a new CEO. And we've tried multiple CEOs at Twitter already. So I don't think it's about leadership. I think it's about what is the purpose of the platform, because this is the only social media platform where the users, myself included, yourself included, every TV show, every movie coming out, every politician, the users are deriving almost 100% of the value of what they're doing on the platform, and the company that owns the platform is deriving almost zero. That's remarkable. That doesn't exist. You couldn't say that about Snap, Facebook, Instagram, which is why I think something more transformative, not just another CEO with more promises, has to take place here in order for Twitter shareholders to really win. I don't know what shape that takes, but, to me, this isn't going to be enough.
Yeah.